Selena, Class 10, Chapter 21, Trigonometrical Identities. Sum number 33. Left hand side is equal to tan square A minus tan square B. Tan is sine upon cos. So sine square A upon cos square A minus sine square B upon cos square B. LCM of the denominator is cos square A into cos square B. Multiply and divide this term by cos square B. Cos square B and multiply and divide this term by cos square A. We get sin square A into cos square B minus sin square B into cos square A upon cos square A into cos square B. Cos square B is 1 minus sin square B, equal to sin square A into 1 minus sin square B minus sin square B. Cos square A is 1 minus sin square A upon cos square A into cos square B. Open the bracket. Sin square A minus sin square A into sin square B minus sin square B, minus into minus plus sin square A into sin square B upon cos square A into cos square B. Sin square A into sin square B minus and plus get cancel each other. Remains sin square A minus sin square B upon cos square A into cos square B equal to right hand side. Sum number 34. Left hand side is equal to sin A minus 2 sin cube A upon 2 cos cube A minus cos A. In the numerator, sin A is common, remains into 1 minus 2 sin square A upon, in the denominator, cos A is common, into 2 cos square A minus 1. 1 means sin square A plus cos square A. So we will substitute that, equal to sin into sin square A plus cos square A minus 2 sin square A upon 2 cos square A minus sin square A plus cos square A in the bracket. When we open the bracket, we get minus sin square A minus cos square A. So sin in the numerator, sin square A minus 2 sin square A is minus 1 sin square A. Therefore, cos square A minus sin square A upon cos A, 2 cos square A minus cos square A is 1 cos square A. Cos square A minus sin square A. These two bracket cancel each other. Remains sin A upon cos A, which is equal to tan A, equal to right hand side. Sum number 35. Sin A upon 1 plus cos A. Multiply and divide by 1 minus cos A. We get sin A upon 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A upon 1 minus cos A equal to, numerator is sin A into 1 minus cos A upon denominator is A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square is equal to 1 square minus cos A square. 1 minus cos A square is sin square A equal to sin A into 1 minus cos A upon sin square A. Sin A get cancel each other. Remains 1 minus cos A upon sin A equal to 1 upon sin A minus cos A upon sin A, which is equal to 1 upon sin A is cosec A minus cos upon sin A is cot A equal to right hand side. Sum number 36. Right hand side is equal to sec A plus tan A. Sec A is 1 upon cos A plus tan A is sin A upon cos A. LCM of the denominator is cos A. So cos A 1 plus sin A. Multiply and divide by 1 minus sin A. We get 1 plus sin A upon cos A into 1 minus sin A upon 1 minus sin A. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. 1 minus sin square A upon cos A into 1 minus sin A. Okay. 1 minus sin square a is cos square a upon cos a into 1 minus sin a. Cos a get cancel each other, remains cos a upon 1 minus sin a, which is equal to left hand side. Sum number 37. Sin a into tan a upon 1 minus cos a equal, multiply and divide by 1 plus cos a. We get sin a into tan a upon 1 minus cos a into 1 plus cos a upon 1 plus cos a. In the numerator, sin a into tan a into 1 plus cos a upon denominator is a plus a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. 1 minus cos square a. 1 minus cos square a is sin square a, and tan a is sin a upon cos a, equal to sin a into sin a upon cos a into 1 plus cos a upon sin square a. Sin square a get cancel each other, remains 1 plus cos a upon cos a, which is equal to 1 plus cos a plus cos a upon cos a. 1 plus cos a is sec a plus 1 equal to right hand side. Sum number 38. Left hand side is equal to 1 plus cot a minus cosec a into 1 plus tan a plus sec a equal to 1 plus cot is cos a upon sin a minus cosec a is 1 minus sin a into 1 plus tan a is sin a upon cos a plus sec a is 1 plus cos a. Here denominator is sin a, so multiply and divide by sin a. We get sin a plus cos a minus 1 upon sin a into, here the LCM is cos a, so multiply and divide by cos a. We get cos a plus sin a plus 1 upon cos a. Denominator is sin a into cos a, and numerator is sin a plus cos a minus 1, sin a plus cos a plus 1. Therefore, we get a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. Sin a plus cos a the whole square minus 1 square upon sin a cos a. Open the bracket, equal to sin square a plus cos square a plus 2 sin a cos a minus 1 upon sin a cos a. Sin square a plus cos square a is 1 plus 2 sin a cos a minus 1 upon sin a cos a equal to 1 minus 1 is 0. Remain here is 2 sin a cos a upon sin a cos a. Sin a cos a cancels each other, equal to 2 equal to right hand side. Sum number 39. Root of 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a. Multiply and divide by root of 1 plus sin a upon 1 plus sin a. We get here root of 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a is 1 plus sin a the whole square upon a plus b. A minus b is a square minus b square. 1 minus sin square a. Okay, so 1 minus sin square a is cos square a. So root of 1 plus sin a the whole square upon cos square a. So this is 1 plus sin a upon cos a the whole square. So root and square cancel each other. We get 1 plus sin a upon cos a, which is 1 plus cos a plus sin a upon cos a equal to sec a plus tan a equal to right hand side. Sum number 40. Root of 1 minus cos a upon 1 plus cos a equal to, multiply and divide by root of 1 minus cos a upon 1 minus cos a. We get root of 1 minus cos a upon 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a upon 1 minus cos a equal to root of 1 minus cos a the whole square upon 1 minus cos square a. which is equal to sine square a, equal to root of 1 minus cos a the whole square upon sine square a. This is 1 minus cos a upon sine a the whole square. Square and root cancel each other. We get 1 minus cos a upon sine a equal to 1 minus 1 upon sine a minus cos a upon sine a, which is equal to cosec a minus cot a equal to right hand side.